good at this, friends. Let's help the animals find their homes. So, let's do it. Oh no, our lion friend is lost. He needs to go home, but he doesn't know where his house is. Can you help him? Is Norway home to lions? No, lions don't live where it's cold. Is it in Egypt? Lions don't live there either. Is it in South Africa? Yeah, that's right. We can see lions in South Africa. They live in warm place like the savannah with a tall grass and lots of sunshine. Look, it's a koala. He needs help in finding his home. Can we help him? Let's do it. Is the koala's house in England? No, koalas don't live in England. They don't live in castles. Is it in India? No, koalas don't live there either. Is it in Australia? Yes, that's right. Koalas live in Australia. They love eucalyptus trees. There is a panda. Pandas love eating bamboo. They are so fluffy and cute. He needs some help finding his home. Let's help him. Is the panda's house in Philippines? No, pandas don't live there. Is it in Brazil? No, pandas don't live in Brazil. Is it in China? That's right. Pandas live in China. They love bamboo forests. Good job, friends. Thank you for helping me today. See you next time. Bye-bye.